Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can update a payment method in your app store and also in your iPhone, just like in your settings of your Apple account. So you have to update the credit card and debit card details in your iPhone. So you have to update their payment method. You have to simply follow the steps to do that. Simply, you have to just go to your settings of your phone, just tap on setting of your iPhone, and then simply you have to just go to the main interface of your settings. And you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, that's disconnected. And after that, simply you have to just tap on your Apple account and scroll down and just find a payment and shipping. Just tap on that and just wait for a second for the loading. It take little bit too much, little bit time for the loading. And here you see that I just tick the credit card and debit card, so you also tap on that. And if you have PayPal, just tap on PayPal. If you have an Apple Pay, just tap on Apple Pay. So you have a credit card and debit card, just is gonna select that, and also require some details, that numbers, expiry dates, and CVV. So also you have to just type billing address of your credit card details. In your credit card details, you just type your billing address in which you have required. So just tap on done, and your problem gonna fix. After that, parent method gonna update, and you also update a parent method in your app store. Just tap on app store and simply go on the profile section and just go to the account and just wait for the loading. And here you will see that there is the option manage payments. Just tap on that and just wait for a second, and simply go to the interface and just tap on credit card and debit card and just type your details of your number, expiry, CVC, and all things, and just tap on done, and your app store payment method gonna update. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.